I was driving home yesterday, got a check engine light about halfway home. Ran the scan on it. It was P0441, which is related to this EVAP system part. And of course, my first thought was, since I was messing with that area when I did the front suspension there's a nut right behind there that's really impossible to access unless you move all that stuff. So I was sure as the world that I broke something or whatever. So I'm looking at all these connections here. You see there's an electrical there and there's a vacuum there, and everything looked to be fine over there. And then somehow my eye caught this hose here, and right there it was just totally unplugged. So I didn't unplug that, at least intentionally. I don't know if I bumped it at some point when I was working on that, or if there was a lot of pressure in there and it popped off or what. I have no idea, but it was literally, and you see it takes quite a bit of effort to pull that out of there. It was just literally sitting about like that. So I reconnected it there, cleared the code, and hopefully that solves it. If not, basically you can start doing a bunch of testing if you want, putting vacuum on there and checking electrical and stuff, or you can probably just replace that piece right there, which is most likely what's failing you. Anyway, short video, but if you get that code, I would check that line right there. And then obviously, like I said, if you want to take it to the next level, if you download the shop manual online, it has a step-by-step of how to test that. And there's 3 potential fixes: replace a broken vacuum line, repair a broken electrical connection, or just replace that part. So that's why I said if it were me, I'd probably just replace the part, especially high mileage vehicle like this. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and please tell your friends about my channel. Thank you very much.